Coming. Coming. Mullen is still a third. Yep. Yep. Music. Please don't stop the music. AGBA is flying? Anyways. That might have been a long, maybe. Good morning, TK. Good morning, Richard. Jay, good morning. Willie, good morning. Karpesh, good morning. JLo, good morning. Let's go, Joe. Come on. I will be lurking, driving. You're not trading? Dang. Lo, good morning. Yi, good morning. Good morning, everybody. It wiped you out? Willie, what do you mean? Like out of Tesla? Or what? Oh, like your accounts, you mean? Yeah, Mullen has that resistance at 710. It looks like it's going towards that level again. Mullen honestly almost looks like the most consistent stock this morning. Like everything seems a little bit suspicious, right? Like AKLI not bad, GMM not too bad. They both, we're gonna watch those names, but AUUD is holding the 200 at $1.97. But Mullen just seems to have a little bit of momentum. Had health emergencies last month. You had help. Okay, Willie. Yeah. Sorry to hear. Yeah, back at zero. Willie, I'm telling you, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. Start at zero with us. Um, yeah, you're good at this. Yeah, so come join us. Anyways, there goes Mullen. So as much as we don't like Mullen, I don't think anybody likes Mullen. Hell is frozen over. When is Mullen to play? Since yesterday, Josh. Since yesterday, Mullen took off. Uh, and they had some really silly news. Bernard, good morning. Mullen had some really stupid news. I looked at this news yesterday morning, right, when we were looking at why Mullen was pumping, and I was a little bit confused. Why let me pull up the news, okay? This is it. um so Mullen has been granted a rebate, basically, right? So they're selling these stupid trucks. They're selling the EV trucks for $68,000, and so now they're getting a rebate of up to $45,000. Like, who gives you a rebate of up to $45,000? Well, I guess California is, but damn, tax credits, and then this, and then that. So the net effective cost of the Mullen 3 would be less than $17,000. Sheesh. I mean, like I said, for $2,000, I wouldn't want it. But we know better, right? Look at Mullen go. Right? So Mullen is breaking out. Like, Mullen is going for highs of the day, right? So as much as we don't like it, we like to play momentum. We like to play the vibes, the vibes. So we don't mind. Right? We do not mind. Let's see here. We do not mind. Right? Anyways, so if you're holding Mullen, if you're scalping Mullen, exactly, Josh, monies. Mullen has been giving opportunities since last night, right? From closing around 570 to 6. We actually had a way bigger run last night, right? Mullen ran all the way up there to 775, and then came back down this morning. So maybe that was maybe that was a bit of a. Anyways, we'll see. We shall see. And then GMM is another one that we need to be watching this morning. AKLI is another one. Amazon reports earnings this morning too, so that could be interesting. Yep. Uh, yep. We shall see. Uh, Perfect. Oh, look at Mullen. Looks good. Mullen actually closed that candle above that 710, and now it's sending it. Oof, Mullen. Sheesh. Let's see. La, 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 la. Uh, choo, choo, choo. Let's go. The dividend, ex dividend for BTIO tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you very much. Matic is on your radar now. Okay. Yeah. Hey, let's see if we can stay above 60. Stay above the 60. And then send it. Send it. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom out in a second here and look at Mullen on a bigger time frame. But is anybody actually holding Mullen? Type in yes in the chat if you are. I know a whole bunch of you guys have scalped Mullen from last night in Discord to this morning. But anybody holding Mullen? Anybody? Anybody? Sheesh. Uh, 670. Okay. JLo, what's your question for Tesla? Lena, what's your entry price for Mullen? TK, yes? Okay. No hold, yeah. Yeah, Michelle, surprised she isn't here celebrating. I know, Josh. I'm surprised she isn't here celebrating. Maybe she took some gains, which would be amazing. Maybe she took monies last night. I don't know. But yep. So there's Mullen, right? There's nothing else really, right? There's GMM. GMM doesn't look too bad. It's slowly creeping up. So 70% rally, resistance at 160 for GMM, and then AKLI is done okay this morning as well. But clearly Mullen, right? So again, as much as we hate it, 690, okay. And what's your stop loss at? What's your stop loss at? $6.90. Yeah, there's a nice little base at 690 there, so hopefully we can stay above. We're failing in the supply zone here, just below $7.30. But let's see. She made good monies, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure she did. Yeah, good monies. Is Tesla dip and rip predicted levels for Tesla? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Ski. I've been trying to stay away from Tesla, Josh. I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay. I'm trying not to watch it. Good morning, Lynn. Like, I don't want to watch Tesla, guys. But Tesla is at 188 now. Jeez. That close last night was a little bit unnecessary, but so yesterday the lowest we hit was 184.50, so we can call it 185. Right, so 185. It almost looks like we're consolidating here at 187 as we approach the open. So if we do not hold 187, then we might be looking for that 185 again. Let me see what the market is doing actually. Interesting. Yeah, that would have been an interesting position there. Okay. An interesting position, yeah. So honestly, JLO, if you're looking for a position into Tesla, you might be. I think if you asked anybody like dip and rip, yes, because we're gapping down, so you almost expect it to dip like it has and then rip at the open, even if it's a dead cat bounce. But with stuff like this, honestly, you're better off just waiting for the market to open. And then see if you actually have levels after the open. It's one thing to look at pre-market levels. It's another thing when the market actually opens and volume comes in because your levels might not hold and it might just have crazy reactions. Yeah. So yes, it's holding 187, right? You would expect it to like hold this level and pop at the open at least, but maybe just wait for the market to consolidate a bit and give you some levels. Um, from let's go. Wait, so Stoneham is where is that, Pablo? Is that the airport, Pablo? Oh, are you there already? Over the oh, somewhere over the Atlantic. Okay, 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 okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Atlantic. What's Mullen doing? So Mullen is failing at the supply zone and backing off here. So it looks like we're coming for the retest. Retest of the previous zone. Right, so whenever we're approaching the open, stuff like this always happens. Like it's just crazy manipulation. So we're back to that 690 support we had. So let's see if we can bounce off 690 again for Mullen. If not, you're looking for 670, where the VWAP, the demand zone, and the 200 lines are sitting at. So already somewhere over the Atlantic. Pablo is on you're an hour and a half from okay. An hour and a half. So Pablo, you're roasting me like that from the sky? Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. He's hiding, Pablo. Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah, Mullen is dipping. Dip skiing. So supply zone and dip to the oh my goodness, that thing is really dipping. Oof. I've never been roasted from I've never been roasted from a plane traveling to vacation. My goodness. They did really well, Pablo. They did really well. It's one guy against because the rest of the team is absolute rubbish. But maybe. So my thoughts, Missy, thoughts on CMPS. What's your position? Um, if you have a question, please just let me know what you're looking for, and then I can answer the question with a bit of an understanding. Yeah, just let me know. Like, are you in it already? Are you looking for an entry? Yeah, let me know. Alrighty. So, do 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 do. Can you imagine Pablo thrusting from the sky? Ooh, thrusting from the sky. CYCC is selling off. EGX is selling off. AUUD not really doing much there. GMM is dipping a little bit, so everything just seems a little bit suspicious into the open. Good morning, focus. No, it's next time I yeah next exactly, Josh. Next time I fly somewhere, I'm gonna make sure that I send Pablo some stuff. AKLI, it does seem to be forming a bit of a base at 39.38 cents. Yusuf. But again, there's only 15 minutes, 14 minutes left before the market opens. Honestly, when we start getting this close, if you're not in a position already, unless it's breaking out, you might just want to sit on your hands and wait, right? It fell off when you picked it up, Kara. Well, um, if you're buying something at resistance and it's selling off, not a surprise. La la la. Share your thoughts. You're in an opening yesterday. Okay, I'll take a look. Okay, sounds good, Missy. I'll take a look. Ski. So see now I have to go find the other. You take a symbol. CMPS. CMPS. So you're in at 789, hoping it goes back up to around $11. 789. Okay, so you're green in that position for now. The one thing that I already don't like about this stock is the lack of volume. The lack of volume. It doesn't seem to have very much, but that's okay, I guess, for now. So if I was in this position, right? So I'm going to put a line at the bottom of at this double bottom here. So if I was in this position, if you go all the way back to like the beginning of the year when we dropped initially before the rally, it bounced off $7.70. Right, Missy. So this level right here, right? This was your base, and then it rocketed up, right? Every time we get close to this level, like close, it seems to rocket back up. And this is happening again, right? So it's testing that bottom and it's trying to curl up already. So as long as my thoughts are, as long as it stays above this level, then yeah, you have a chance of getting back to your, it might be a lower high. It might only be $9. It might only be $10. But that's not a bad entry you have. So at this point, though, you want to make sure that you don't let it go below this level. So now, even though you want it to go higher, you cannot control the bottom, right? So make sure you have something. Make sure you have a stop loss, because if you let it go below this level and it hasn't been below this level for months now, what happens when you let it go below this level and people panic? All of a sudden, you find yourself sitting at $5, and then you're like, "Wait, what happened? What happened? How come I wanted $11, but it's at $5?" So even though you want higher and it's a good level, make sure you have a stop loss. Alrighty, IBRX. Medical is in at 842. 842. So you're basically broke even for now. There's really not a whole lot I can tell you about this one, because we watched this one for 2 days, right? For 2 days, and it went from $5 all the way up to 10.50. So this thing has had a really good run, medical, right? So I hate when a stock runs for more than one, like for multiple days, and then it turns red. To me, that's usually a sign of weakness. So again, you're break even for now. I would find a stop loss not too far away from where it's at, and then set a stop loss. The low of the day was 812 yesterday, right? The low of the day was 812. So I would maybe consider close to that level. If it goes below 812, it's confirmation that it wants to dip more. So 812 has to hold if you're gonna stick with it. Alrighty. So and what's and thrust. Your long ES. Ooh, your long. Sheesh, Joe. That thing is what is that? You're long at that level. Okay, I'm gonna be long into the open. I'm gonna give it a second, Joe. I wanted. I was waiting for that thing to drop a little bit closer to like 51.20, 51.23.75. It got really close, but my order never got filled. So then I just looked away because I had to come on stream anyways. But yep, it seems to be holding the nine though, Joe. So if it can stay above the nine, that would be good. Yeah, it's holding it. Ooh, no, 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 that's not what I want to do. Do, 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 do. No scams. Keep them coming, Joe. Keep them coming. Yeah. Let's make monies. And then tomorrow is going to be wild with FOMC. Scheduled for today, like after the market closes. Okay, keep us updated. Keep us updated. GMM isn't really doing much there. Not really doing much. I'm gonna pull up the S&P. Good morning, Dan. I'm gonna pull up the S&P here. Again, we're gapping down this morning. We had some employment numbers, or whatever data we had this morning, and the market didn't seem to like it. So it's always interesting how that happens. Like the market takes, the Fed sentiment, and everything that comes out after that is always, perceived as negative. You know what I mean? Like we had these same numbers for months and months and months, but the Fed said, like rate cuts, rate cuts, rate cuts, and then we would rally. Every time we had these numbers, we would rally. But over the last few weeks, all the data we have straight to the abyss, straight to the abyss. So that's really, really, really interesting. Yeah. Yeah, Joe. My only concern with how long was like it was really close to the top there of the left hand side resistance. Justin, good morning. Kimbella, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yep. Anyways, DJT. You're looking for an entry into DJT. Yeah, DJT did really well yesterday, right? So when we talked about DJT yesterday, it was sitting close to like 42, 45. It needed to break above 46. And it did all of that. So, and it closed at 46.69, Pablo. 46.69. Good morning, CM. So if you're looking for a brand new entry now, I'm just scrolling up to find your name. Regina, if you're looking for a brand new position now, whenever we get close to 50 cents on 50 cents, $50, it doesn't matter. Anything with the 50 in front of it, usually an obstacle, right? So now that we were gapping up this morning, you're better off just waiting for that thing to sell off at the open. One or two things: either sell off at the open, right? Give you an entry closer to, like, fill the gap closer to 47. Give you an entry, or just clear $50 and consolidate. One of the two things, because you're very close to resistance, and you don't want to hold a baggy. Alrighty. Good morning, Ray. In traffic, is your protege with you, Joe? AGBA. Yeah, nice little run for AGBA. Nice little run. Fat Boy 2019. Nice run. So yeah, this one's actually done really well. Like if you look at the bigger time frames, it's actually done quite well. Like for the all of last week we were talking about this name, right? All of last week, so bounce, 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 bounce. And so now it's breaking out of this, this multi-day resistance. So Thursday, Wednesday, so Wednesday, actually Thursday, Friday, Monday, we struggled at 250. So it's breaking above 250. Your next resistance is the highest we've been so far, right? So close to $3, and then $3.13, 320. Let's call it 320. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that candle there though. Yeah, so let's call it 320. Next resistance for AGBA, but that looks good though, right? Um, that looks really good. Oof. I trust my driving only. So I could trade, but man, yeah, yeah, especially if they're new. Well done, Kimbella. Good exit on Mullen, by the way. Oof, good job. Okay, yeah, AGBA actually had news. Yeah, AGBA actually had news. I was wondering why the damn thing was. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sometimes when I come on stream, I don't necessarily pay attention to. Yeah. There you go. Annette, good morning. Bonjour, Emer. Emer, where have you been? Oh my goodness. Minnie, good morning. Again, if you have a question, guys, just let me know where your position is and I'll take a look. Otherwise, I tend to ignore your question because I'm going to be dancing. Alrighty. Joe, you're looking for a pop at the open? Yeah, I'm tempted. But I don't necessarily like the open. There's always stretching at the open, you know. Good morning, Laurie. You oh yeah, you're in Ireland, Emer. Yes, yes, yes. May 2nd, yeah. Yeah, coin reports in the same day as Apple, maybe. Don't remember now. Anyways, don't forget to I forgot about the open. Oh lord, yeah, Joe. I mean, it looks good now though. You should be at least green, at least, because that candle looks fat and green, 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 green. So you should be happy, and then you can just secure the gains. Secure the gains. Yeah, we're basically back to the almost back to the highs there on the S&P, SPY, and then again I'm gonna leave Tesla off the table here. I'm just gonna leave up SPY. Ooh, that's a nice candle, Joe. Your light green, slightly green. That's a nice green candle. Na 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 na. Get out of it. Okay, nice. Nas, good morning. Shafban, good morning, everybody. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Without paying attention, yeah. Yes, we have 4 minutes left. Then market opens. Market opens. You have Tesla. You have a Tesla put for 187.50. Okay, you should be happy this morning then. Tesla is gapping down, I think. Yep. Well, I say I think, but Tesla is gapping down through almost 4% gap down. So yeah, you should be happy. Should be happy. You're on YouTube and you can see the comments, Katie. Oh yeah, it doesn't let you open the comments on your TV. Hmm. I thought it did. I thought it did. Mullen is bouncing off a demand zone. So yeah, actually, that's not a bad demand zone, is it? All right, so it looks like we've been bouncing off the 655 level, 650 level for Mullen for quite some time this morning. So that's a nice little bounce here. I really like the blue shade. I call it the blue shade, but just the Bollinger Bands. It looks nice and it looks nice, like the blue and the brown. Nice combination. You know, it's like a wave, Zen wave, a Zen wave. Anyways, yeah. So let's see how well Mullen does after the market opens. 2 minutes left. What's the supports? KB. So anywhere close to five. So 490 to $5 is support. Combination. Yes. Good morning, Josh. Above might have another little run. Yeah. I think likes to stay above that level. Yeah. Mullen is back to 680. Not bad. Yeah. The S&P is just sitting there, Joe. It's green though. A little bit higher than Hmm. I wonder, Joe. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Spy. Dang. See, if it wasn't for the open, Joe would still be in this trade and he'd be printing. Dang, Joe. Sheesh. One long. Okay. Watching Mullen, this is what things have come to. Well, well, we've always been here for the monies, though. You know, always, always. So, if we take away the ticker symbol if we take away the ticker symbol, this stock has performed really well the last 2 days. uh, really, really well. 80% yesterday, and then continuation. No, I know that. I know. Good morning, virus and Watts and Thrust. Tons of insider buying lately and sitting nicely. MAIA. Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, I saw you post some stuff this morning. Anyway, so yeah, markets open, guys, and as usual, be careful if you're not sure what to do. Just give it a few minutes for everybody to relax a bit. The S&P, ooh, Joe, damn, that thing got slapped and then rebounded immediately. Slapped and rebound. No, 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 no. Yeah, as long as it stays above medical, as long as it stays above the low from yesterday, as long as it stays above that bottom, you're fine. Alrighty, Mullen got slapped at the open. Slapped. What's Marine doing? Marine slapped. AUD slapped. GMM with a bit of a pop at the open here. So let's see how how long it holds for though. EKLI looks okay. Now it's getting slapped. AGBA looks nice. And so $3 resistance. Again, be careful at the open, please. Be careful at the open. There's a lot of unnecessary volatility, and here we go. Oh my goodness, AGBA, sheesh. Right, so that thing looks like it might actually stay above between 75 and 80. It looks like it might hold above that level, Justin. So you might be okay there. S&P is still dipping a little bit here. Fat red candle on SPY. 280. Okay. Yeah, you're slightly green in that position. Slightly green. Lightly green. You want 290 to $3? Yep. Agreed. Come on. Come on. It's like, nope. Nope, we test the bottom again. Yeah, hopefully we can stay above. Here comes another 75 retest and below. And below. And bounce up 75 again. So these two candles are bouncing off the same area, which is good, at least for now, Justin. Which is good. S&P still dipping there, Joe? It looks like it wants to pop, doesn't it, SPY? It looks like it wants to pop. But we shall see. We shall see. GMM actually looks nice now. It's sitting at the highs of the day. Sitting at the highs of the day. That wasn't very much of a dip, was it? Not very much. AGBA. Yep, there goes the bounce. 290. There you go, Justin. 94. Come on. You sold 80% out? Okay, well done. Nice. Congrats. Well done. Well done. You're looking for 95 on the rest? Okay. Yeah, so GMM was the only thing that kind of looked, that still looks promising for now, even though I'm a little bit skeptical. I just don't like the way the candles look, but we shall see. There are little scalps all over the place, but there's nothing that really stands out yet as the play of the day, right? Mullen is getting NSATs. If these guys had options, virus would be in there like swimwear. $3 puts, but they do not. So, yep. Right. Be very careful at the open. Just because something looks amazing in pre-market doesn't mean it's going to continue when the market opens. So you want to be very careful. Has news MNDR? Okay. GMM is still creeping up. Still creeping up. The S&P just popped. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is, Joe. Oof. Send deeds. That's a nice green candle. It's a very nice candle. Sheesh. Sending eats. Congratulations, Joe. Well done. Well done. We might fail. We might fail at the view app, but we'll see. At some point, this thing is going to turn around and end the day in the green, just like it did yesterday, right? AGBA. Ooh, nice. $3. Did you sell the rest of the position, Justin? 98. Yeah, so GMM and AGBA. GMM actually still looks really nice. Wow. Yeah, this was the first candle that actually closed above the breakout zone, the double top, right? Yeah. So this candle, that candle, one of these two candles, and then popped. Not bad. Not bad at all. Like I said earlier, our next resistance for AGBA is between if you look at a smaller time frame, it looks like 315. So I'm not sure why this line is. Yeah, so 315. But really it's 320, right? So $3.20. Waiting for you're in at 154. 154. Just sit back, Lynn, sit back and smile. Sit back and smile. So between 315 and 320, there's a lot of resistance there for AGBA, right? So just be honestly again, Lynn, same thing we say all the time, right? Like pick a number and just set a stop loss. Look at the amounts you're up in your account and say, you know what, like I'm in at $1.54. Maybe my stop loss is 250. Maybe my stop loss is I don't know. Just yeah, just look at your gains and ask yourself like, what would I be really happy with, and then set a stop loss, right? And then if it explodes to 350, then you can say, you know what, I'm going to change the stop loss because I deserve to be paid more, right? So that thing is on fire. It's like 320. The 52-week high, by the way, is 320. So I think that's why we talked about that 320 level. 320. There we go. That thing is pumping though. Oof. It is absolutely sending it. Justin? Justin. Oh my goodness. $3.30. AGBA said, hey, look at me. You wanted something to send it today? Well, that's me. That's me. That's me. There we go. It runs to Valhalla. Yep, that's how it usually happens, isn't it? So yeah, the 52-week low before this last candle was $3.20. So at some point we're gonna have to build a base above 320 and then push it to 350, right? So at this point we're just using psychological levels for resistance and nothing else, right? So if you're looking for a brand new position, maybe wait for the retest and see if it actually stays above that level. If it doesn't, then you're looking for closer to 310 or $3. Cool. So it looks like some of the volume left GMM and came over to AGBA. Mullen seems to be holding $6 for now, which is interesting. The S&P is failing at the 200s. Hopefully Joe took some monies off the table. Joe? And looks like this candle actually came back to 320. $3.20 and then immediately popped, right? So that seems to be a retest for now. There's always a retest, right? Only concern is like it really isn't a red candle, so you know it's going to dip again at some point to retest the 9 or the 20. So we'll see. We shall see. AGBA. Yeah, these guys keep spamming the same, and there it goes. New highs of the day, new 52-week highs. These guys keep spamming the same article, which is uh, yeah, which is really interesting because I bet you they're pumping it. Yeah, yeah. This morning they said, oh, we're building an economy titan, because they're merging with Thriller, whatever they call it, and the companies combined are going to be $4 billion, whatever. Right. So just be careful. For now, it looks really good. Just be careful. There you go. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Troy, good morning. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, please, and thank you. And if you're not a member yet and you want to come join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. Alrighty? Come join us. The S&P just popped again. Oof. Oof. Joe, are you still in that long position? Damn, that's a nice candle. That's a very nice candle. You know what I like to see today is for the markets to go from red to green. You know, from red to green. But we're sitting at the 200 here though, so this should be interesting. Ooh, we is right. Ooh, we. Yeah, so the 200. The 200. Yeah, I don't think we quite have a trend yet for the market, but we'll see. La, 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 la. So medical, all you have to do is click the link from Nightbot, and it's gonna give you the different levels. You just get to select. I'm India. I'm India. Let's go. Yeah, you just get to select medical. So just click on the link from Nightbot, a few comments up, and then just select the level you want, and then you should be good to go. Yeah. So Jag X TK. Okay. Again, I will 6.5 long. Let's go. Oof, oof. Are you still in there, Joe? Ooh, you're still in there. It's not $1,500, 16 anymore, Joe. It's more and more and more. Let's go. We're about to send it above this range. Joe's making monies, guys. Um, yeah. Ken Kara, if you have a question, please. I know you might not. Yeah, if you have a question, please just please let me know. Give me some details of your position. You're out of it, Joe. Nice, very nice. Yeah, we're failing at the ES 200. So ES 200s. Yep. That was a nice exit, Joe. Which one do you? Anyways, I think you watch the S&P more than you do ES. La 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 la. Yeah, medical. Let me know if you see it. If not, then hello, Miss Lola. Anyways, so again, breaking above 320. What level did we talk about next? Is at 350, right? So we can zoom out a little bit more on AGBA maybe and look at a few years behind. But I just wanted to focus on the 52-week levels. Obviously, if you look to the left hand side, like we've been to some pretty high levels. Right, this thing has had some really big runs. $6 on this run, 540 on that run, right? Uh, but it's coming from all-time lows in this case, though. Like we're coming from 30 cents, to 350. So I think we're just going to use psychological levels. So 350 being your next resistance, right? So just be and if you have a nice entry, just move your stop loss up, right? 914. Nice, 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 nice. It's paying you out, Miss Lola. Looking for the next resistance. Yeah, so 350 would be your next resistance. Gorilla Dennis, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, Spy is not stopping. Spy's like, hey Joe. I bet you were just filling the gap, honestly. I bet you we fill the gap. Like we're returning to that range, which we always do. Like we always do for some reason. And like we return to the range before we before the news came out this morning. Good morning, Steve. So the S&P looking hot, looking hot. Yeah, I mean, we kind of joked about the S&P going from red to green. It's only 50 cents from green now, even though it's approaching resistance. It's really only 50 cents, which is very interesting. And there it goes. It's doing some interesting things here. But yeah, you're done for now, Joe. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. There goes AGBA, guys. So AGBA popped all the way to 346 now. So new 52-week highs. New 52-week highs. Your shorts? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's a good short. That's a good short at Troy. Oof, that is a good short. Troy's getting paid there. Getting paid. Very nice. AGBA failing. So again, if your resistance is 350, right? You want to be very careful with the closer we get to that level, anyways, right? So support around 320, to below $3, to below 320. So again, 320 and then 310 and $3. But if we're sitting at 346 and that resistance is 350, you're really close, right? So you want to be careful. So, yep. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. No, 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 no. Yeah, ticking down. Yeah, to the 300s. Keep dipping. And the AGB is like, yep, that's all the dip skis you get, guys. That's it. We're back to 340 already here for this thing. My goodness. 43, 44, 45, 47, new highs. 48, new 52-week highs, AGBA. Sheesh. Sheesh. It seems like it, doesn't it, Greg? And there it is. There's 350. Sheesh. And 350 has been broken. My goodness. 360. Shoosh. That thing said, hey, look at me. I'm the captain now. I'm sending it. Damn. I just figured it was one of those made up lines, beyond the 200, like we talked about yesterday, Joe. There he goes. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. If you're holding AGBA, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. There you go. 69. 369. Yes, 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 yes. Love it. Congratulations. There goes 370. Oh my goodness. That's a squeeze, John. It's a squeeze, John. It's a squeeze. Oof. It's a squeeze. 78. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Uh it's a squeeze. Oh my days is right, TK. Damn. 62%. Yep. Yep. So again, congratulations if you're in this. If we zoom out, if we're sitting at 52-week highs now. But if we zoom out, we're going to be looking at we're going to be Pablo. Pablo? If you're trading 34,000 feet in the sky, I'm going to be very proud. Very proud. How it's a work, the same headlines in different day. Like seriously, Pablo, every single day, AGBA will come out and say, "Oh, we're doing this," but it's the exact same thing they said 2 days ago, and then the next day they come out and say the exact same thing, and the stock rockets. Every single day is the same stuff. I mean, as long as the stock is pumping, right? Because there goes almost $4 now. $4 really isn't resistance. It's a lot higher than that. Well, let's see how easy it is to break $4. So again, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be using these psychological levels. So $4 could be looked at as resistance, anyways, because it's $4, right? But it's really not resistance. Let's see how easily we break above it, though. 98. And there goes $4. It's broken easily, right? Like really easy. So it really isn't resistance when you look at the daily. And oh my goodness, that thing is on fire. On fire. So again, when you maybe 420. Maybe 420, right? There, 420 is broken. So that resistance is all the way up to $5 if we look at the daily. But I would not focus on that. Please and thank you. Like I would just focus on moving your stop loss higher and higher and higher and higher. Right, like I said earlier, let me zoom out really quickly. Like if I zoom out and I look at anything like the past 2 years, you're gonna see that like even though we have a supply zone, it's a massive supply zone because the resistance is massive. Like the range of resistance is massive, right? So if we go back all the way to like so this last run was in 2023, beginning of the year, it seems. So 23, beginning of 2023, yeah, it went from like $1.50 all the way to 620, right? And then so the end of April, actually April 27, April 2023, so last year, right? Um, we ran to $5.50 right there. So yeah, so you're just gonna have to focus on again, just having a plan based on your gains. So 420 is always a level to look at. Why? Because 420 is nice. Uh, is great. American Airlines, let's go. Uh, so you're catching good frequency, yo. Yeah, Pablo's internet over the ocean is actually quite nice. That's impressive, Pablo. You're gonna need Pablo. Send us a picture. Send us a picture. We want pictures. No, 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 no. NVVE. SPFM is also pushing? Okay. Uh, uh, there we go. No, 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 no. E? Yes, 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 yes. That was a solid breakout. My goodness. The solid breakout, AGBA. Wow. Nice. What's the S&P doing? What's ES doing here? We're bouncing. Yeah, we're bouncing off let me go back here really quickly. Yeah, we're bouncing off the 200, the 20, the kernel. So there's a bit of a base here on the S&P. I'm waiting for Tesla. When's Tesla gonna get back above 190? When Tesla? When? Yeah, AMD. So yeah, some really big earnings coming out tonight, guys. This isn't the best calendar, but yeah. So AMD, Amazon, PayPal reported this morning. So I'm gonna need to pull up a different calendar because this one isn't really the one I want to be looking at. That's just a calendar for the entire month and next month. So the S&P just said drop it. Yeah, so AMD, Amazon, Starbucks, and then a few more. And then Thursday is a big day too. It's a big day too. Thursday. Thursday. That's a pretty nice bounce of the 50 there, Joe. Really nice bounce. A really nice bounce. Yes. Yeah, Wes. We'll put out of business. To $16 today, VSAT. Yup, Starlink. When 175 virus, behave. Can we dip after we get above 200? Can we do that? 25 minutes left, Pablo? Okay. 25 minutes. 25. Come on, virus. Just because you sold these calls doesn't mean we're allowed to dip, 10 a.m. Okay. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Dan. Thank you. Consumer confidence. Well, if that thing is pumping, they're gonna flash drop it again. Maybe we look for maybe we're ready for shorts. Maybe tomorrow morning. If Amazon crushes earnings, virus. Or at the end of the day. At the end of the day, we maybe get that same run. If you think about it, like so, Friday, Thursday, and then Monday, we've had some strong bounces at the end of the day. At the end of the day, the market just says, "Yup, that's it. Pump it, pump it, pump it." So, with a touch of puts, unbelievable. Anyways, let me go back to AGBA. So obviously, again, you look at AGBA on the left hand side, you see those candles stalling there. That's usually a problem. Right, so now we're going to go back and retest the kernel or the 20 EMA, and then see if we consolidate. Alrighty. Yeah, they just released Mike. Yeah, like it's been crazy. Last night we were in Discord watching futures, and the market just turned around and pumped the last few minutes. Can you take a look at Kazu? You're looking for an entry? Sure. Let's take a look ski. Sizu. Alakazu. Entry. Okay. I just want to see what the daily looks like here. What's that bottom there? 960? 970? Almost like a weird inverse head and shoulder. If we can stay above 960. Yeah. So one or two things. I would either wait for a dipsky close to 950, 950, 960, or just keep watching it today. The longer it stays above $10, the better it becomes already. So, and if that thing goes below 950, be very careful. Very, very careful. You're in a short, Joe? Yeah, I can smell the stretch coming. I'll join you if we go back and retest the ES 200. The ES 200. That was a really nice bounce off the 50 though. Really solid bounce on SPY. Yeah. So yeah, that was a solid bounce. The solid bounce. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. For you should have, yeah. Well, why did you sell your position? Not that you did anything wrong. I just I want to see what you were thinking, and then we can look at the charts and see if you were justified in a sense. Because if you don't like holding overnight, that's fine then, right? There's nothing wrong with it. You could have just got back in this morning. Is the only thing. Your welcomeness. Mullen is still holding $6, Dan. My goodness. For now. AGBA needs to get back over $4. You're too scared of getting scammed, then that's okay. The only thing you could have done is get back in this morning, because like some people just have a rule: do not hold overnight, and that's fine, right? And that's completely okay. AGBA did not run like it ran this morning, right? So you could have easily, again, it ran this morning. Like it was sitting there, like it did nothing all night. Like yesterday, pre-market, after hours, this morning, you can see that it's doing absolutely nothing until it broke above 250 and then it just took off. So so yeah, you were completely safe, like selling that thing. You just never looked at it again today. So that's the only issue there. Dang, that was my short, Joe. Oof. Wait. My order got filled where? Let's see. That thing is all over the place. There we go. Oof. Out of it. That was a quick scalp. My goodness. I might regret not staying in that position, but quick scalpy. Oof. That was a nice little short. I wanted it to get as close to that double top as possible. Dang, I'm gonna regret selling that position, Joe. Just kidding. No, it is a scam. But you know how you want you want the top of the scam though, you know? You want the top of the scam. Mike, what's your position? What is your position? I only hold overnight if I also plan to start my next day. Exactly, Troy. Exactly, right? So if you don't hold overnight, that's okay. That's completely fine. You just have to be ready the next morning. Um, you know, as it's still above the 200. I see. Let me take a look. Let's see. Yeah, it is above the 200. So there's hope for this thing. The only concern that I have is that it's still below the 9 EMA, right? Like we're still riding the blue line down. If you take a position, maybe set a really tight stop loss below 137, because if we break below 137, then for sure we're going to go back and retest this 128 or close to this level. But yeah, that's not a bad position, right? You just have to make sure you have a tight stop loss, and you should be okay. Like you're risking 3 cents to potentially make a lot more, right? So you're fine. And then again, the safer position, if we can get back above the 9 and hold, that would be good. That would be good. And we're back to the top again, Joe. Oof. See, now I'm almost happy I took those gains. Damn, my goodness. Joe, that better be a double top. Otherwise, we're going to pick you up from the bridge. Sheesh, these candles are volatile. Volatile. I wish I saw that double top. That would have been a beautiful entry for that short, Joe. How much time do we have on these candles? Yeah, 5 seconds. That's a smaller candle though. Okay. Sheesh. Let's go, Crystal. Stress is right. It's dropping now though. Dang it. I wish I was paying attention. That would have been a beautiful entry, Joe. Exact double tops for the day. Easy to manage. Easy to manage. Dang, missed it. Oh well. Oh dang! Now it's dropping like a tomato. Oh, that would have been an amazing short. An amazing short, because that thing looks ready for to retest the bridge again. Flush it. Let's go, Joe. Yeah. You're still in. You're still holding. Lena, you never put a stop loss, did you? You never did. You never did. Lena again. If a stock is at you bought Mullen. Okay, let me roast you a little bit. Okay, you bought Mullen at $6.90, right? $6.90. When we were looking at Mullen for you, Mullen was at $7 and 20 something cents, right? So at that point, you're green. You're better off, Lena, putting a stop loss at break even or slightly green, and then buying back in cheaper, especially if the market is about to open. If the market is about to open, chaos is going to happen, because you could have easily bought Mullen back at $6 instead of trying to get back to break even. You're actually green for the day. All right. So don't just hold stocks without a plan, because you're just hoping. Mullen is not the stock to do that. Mullen is the trashiest of stocks and the scammiest of stocks in the market, right? You hold Mullen long enough, you're gonna find yourself standing on the highway with your hands, hiding your like your privates, and like in the middle of the highway, like a 21 lane highway. You're gonna be standing in the middle, and cars are gonna be going like, and then you're gonna be screaming. Um, that's what Mullen does to you. So you want to be very careful, very very careful, very very careful with Mullen. Sheesh, Joe, that thing bounced off the 50 again. You're really gonna need a break below the 50. Sheesh, that 50 is very nice. Um, you did, Troy? Monies, yeah. I'm looking. I'm looking. Oh wow, look at that thing go. We're going back to the top. Oh my goodness, Joe. Sheesh, you might need to reverse. Let me take a look at Gorilla here. So we talked about Gorilla yesterday, guys. Again, if you're not a member, if you're in Discord, you've most likely seen us talk about Gorilla, right? So we talked about Gorilla yesterday, and Gorilla is slowly creeping up, right? Like Gorilla looks really nice. Not the not the most amazing when it comes to resistance, right? But uh, right? La la la. Uh, yeah, climbing the tree. What are we at? Damn, that's impressive. Sheesh. AGBA is still playing, so we need to get back above so $3.80 for AGBA and hold and then push it. All right, already. Virus, what are you getting slapped in though? Tesla slapping you? No, it's not really slapping you. I was hoping Tesla was slapping you. uh, yeah. Private's proudly dead. Yeah, so if you're holding Mullen without a plan, ooh, Mullen is honestly all you have to look at when it comes to Mullen is look at the 52-week high for Mullen. You want to know what the 52-week high for Mullen is? The 52-week high for Mullen is $2,000. Okay, $2,000. Oh, I'm tempted to take that ES short there. I'm gonna reverse. I'm gonna close it as if it breaks out though. Dang it, they missed my order. Damn it. Damn it. That's the third time we tested that top. Dang it, they missed me. Sheesh. That thing is still going though. Oh my goodness, bye. Anyways, yeah, so $2,000 for Mullen. You want to be very careful. Like Mullen is known to screw everybody. Screw everybody. Huh. Yeah, they missed me, so I'm gonna take my order off the table for now. Yeah, it's dropping without me already. Stupid ES. One stupid tick. Let's go, Pablo. What's all time high? Like $10,000 virus. The share price was really. You go back far enough, right? You're gonna find yeah, that's crazy. So don't stay too long. Don't stay too long. Mullen will undress you. Anyways, AGB is back above 380. $3.80. Dang it, that would have been a beautiful shorts. That would have been a beautiful shorts, guys. A beautiful short. Yeah, it's gonna need to keep holding above. Joe, are you still in that short position? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Joe. Joe gets stretched every morning. Oh my days. La 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 la. Come on, AGBA, send it. Get back above $4. Get back above $4. You know what a gorilla needs? It needs a bit more volume. It needs a bit more volume. It needs a bit more volume. Mullen is headed back down. So again, Lena, don't add more to your position, right? Pablo will often use this expression: "Don't send good money after bad money," please. Cool. Don't send good money after bad money. Mullen is really not the stock to be dollar cost averaging in. Mullen is the worst stock in the market to dollar cost average in. So maybe with AMC, but anyways, with a practice account to scratch the former itch. Yeah, and then tomorrow, Troy, is chaos, complete chaos. The last time we had FOMC, I passed two funded accounts, so I'm ready for that again tomorrow. So if you see me distracted tomorrow, it's because it's because I'm too busy going all in, all in. Come on. Oh, there you go, Joe. There you go. She's that would have been a beautiful shorts. The triple tops. Look at that. Triple tops, easy stop loss. Break above, just get the hell out. Get the L out. Here comes another retest of the 50. I wonder if we bounce off this level again, though, Joe. I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. It's looking sus, isn't it? Looking very sus. Let's see. Let's see if we can find a base around this area. Oh, that thing is gonna flush. It's gonna flush. It's gonna flush. Dang it. Dang it. Huh, it's actually holding the bottom there. Interesting. Yeah, it's playing with the 50, the VWAP, and the 200. Playing with it with the dipskis. Yeah. Today will be Rock, Abyss, Moon. Yeah, Troy, exactly. Yep, there it goes. That would have been an amazing short. Oh my goodness, look at it go. Look at it go, Joe. Look at it go. Uh, Troy, yeah. And a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Yeah, triple tops. Let's see how long we stay below the 54, though. See how long we stay above the 54, Joe. Let's see how long we stay above the 54. Below the 50, that is. Oof, look at this. Look at that bounce. Watch that thing rocket back to the top of that resistance, Joe. Are you taking your profits off the table, Joe, or you're just keeping them? Oof. That thing is like, I want violence. And I want it now. I want violence, and I want it now. And it's retesting the kernel. Let's see what happens, though. Because the kernel is usually like a reshort area. Uh, in half. Okay, you sold half of it. Okay, nice. Half of the position. That was actually a really nice bounce. But that thing has some resistance here, though. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that thing wants more violence. More violence. Yeah, maybe we go back all the way to the top and then we flush again. All the way to the top. And then make it drop. Yeah, it's gonna be like it usually is. Like there's rarely ever like a simple direction when we go into FOMC. Like it's up and it's down and then it's up and then it's down and then it's up. We do look strong though, like this morning. Coming up the bottom, we do look really strong actually. This is a pretty solid bounce. Oh wow. It's a pretty solid bounce. Sheesh. Joe, good thing, good. Oh my goodness, look at it go. Good thing you sold half of that position because we're about to go all the way back to the top now. And then maybe that gives us a nice little short again. Oh my goodness. Chop, 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 chop. AGBA, what do we do? We're back above $4 for AGBA, guys. So that looks really good. Yeah. Almost back to the highs. Let's see if we can actually get above 410 because we haven't really closed above 410 yet for AGBA. If we can, then that would be really good. That would be really, really good. Every year, yeah, the trashiest of stocks, Daryl, will bring the market up soon. Yeah, at the end of the day, for sure. So we might just sell off as the day goes on, virus, and then we pump it as usual at the end. At the last hour, the last 30 minutes, something like that. Something like that. Uh, okay, perfect. What's the S&P doing? We're still sitting in that range. How much time do we have? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, that's a brand new candle. Sassy brand new candle. Yeah, so AGBA, in order for AGBA to run again, it's going to need to close the candle above 410. And if it does, then send it. Send it, send it, send it. Uh, Interesting level, actually. Yeah, it failed. So $4.10. Yeah, there's a nice little block there. A nice little block. 75 minutes. Unbelievable. Lee. Oh wow, look at that candle. Doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh, almost back to the top for the S&P. Oh my goodness. Is this going to be another opportunity to short though? Yeah, flush coming on Tesla will give a 100% virus. You know what? You know what? Unbelievable. Hmm. Okay. Expected more chaos to be honest. It had, I mean, like that thing did really well yesterday though. I think did really well yesterday. Yeah, ES is sus. The entire market is sus, honestly. But then again, this is nothing new when you have the Fed coming up. Nothing new. Mullen, what? Wait. Wait, Mullen just halted up? Where's Lena? Lena's gonna be like, see, I told you guys. I told you guys. This is my Mullen. Lena, are you still in your position? What's your stop loss now? You should be you're back to break even at least. But it took you two crazy candles to get back to break even though, right? So just be careful, please. Now please make sure you put a stop loss. Yeah, Mullen is halted up, guys. The Mullen is halted up. Trying to sell? No, you won't be able to sell. It's halted. So there's no selling until it unhalts. So you're gonna have to wait until they decide to unhalt it. Uh, hmm. 90. That position is all over the place. All over the place. Yeah. Mullen halted up. Who would have thought? Who would have thought Mullen would be halted up? Damn. Uh, these candles are really interesting. Choo, 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 choo. Flush it, Joe. Flush it, flush it. Hmm. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, the S&P is so sus today. Let me go back. Yep, we're back to the to the 200 again. And oh my goodness, look at that thing rocket back up. Wow. But that does seem like a bit of a it does seem like a bit of a higher low though, doesn't it? A lower high, sorry. Like as much as it's rebounding there, it does seem a little bit suspicious. So I wonder. I wonder. Here we go. Love it. Spy puts. Yeah, we're getting some lower highs there. So it's looking like it's looking a little bit scammy, even though it's holding all of these levels. Joe wants the abyss. It's coming back. Hmm. If that thing breaks out though, you just landed Pablo. Let's go. Pablo is in Anyways, I keep forgetting the name, but Pablo is in the Dominican Republic. He has landed. It's time for some sunshine, Pablo. Some plantains and avocado, Pablo. Some plantains. Mullen is unhalted, by the way. So Lena, if you wanted to sell, now you can actually sell if you want to, right? So you can if you want to now. We're back to that 720 resistance. Going bye bye, fat boy. Yeah, it's dipping, isn't it? You're out of it. Yeah, well done. But yeah, please again. So when you take these positions, please make sure you have a plan. If you're going to buy something, you have to know that okay, this is my stop loss, this is my that, right? You have to have a plan like that. If not, you're just kind of hoping, right? The market doesn't know you, the market doesn't owe you anything, the market wants your money, right? So if anything, They hope you don't have a plan so they can take it, right? So please, please, please be ready. Be ready. Oh, Joe, yeah. Yeah. I should have stayed in that short, Joe. Should have stayed in it. Should have stayed in it, Joe. Should have stayed in it. Yeah, again, triple tops and then a lower high. Straight to the abyss. Unless we keep closing these candles in this area, and then we're gonna rock it back up, Joe, and go test the highs of the day again. I feel like that's what's gonna happen. Punta Cana. If we keep holding those bottoms, Joe, you're done. Did you sell it though? Over a week, you're in at $1.35. Okay, yeah, congratulations. Yeah, that's a really good entry. In that case, you're not overly concerned about it dipping to 350. Yeah, you out? Okay, congratulations. 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 Be the out of the filthy market makers. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Let's go. You're done, Tesh? Okay, sounds good. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I would appreciate that. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, become a member. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. Come join us. Yeah, I wonder if we bounce up like if 51, 51, 34, 75, Joe. But the more it stays there, the more sus it looks, doesn't it? So yeah, the short at the top was the easier play on this thing here. The short was the easier play. Yeah, it'll pop. Yeah, it almost looks like it wants to pop off that same level there. Where did that candle close? Interesting. Yeah, that can it's tight here. Like it's very tight. It's very tight. Oof, Joe. That thing said pop. You can have this pop. Oh damn. It's like you want a pop? How about you have this instead? I'll give you a pop. I give you a pop. A slap. Let's see where this candle closes though, because I think this candle is going to be very interesting. Because we came all the way down to the left-hand side pivot. All the way down. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's still the same scam zone. I agree. Agreed. Let's see. Uh-oh. Looking a little bit sus now, though. Looking a little bit sus. Doo-doo-doo. A little bit sus. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Come on. Give us another candle. I want to see another candle. I want to see another candle. Come on. 5:12, 62 minutes. Oh my goodness. Been watching you, but you haven't joined yet, Fat Boy. Come join us. Come join us. Come join the community. What are we at? Yeah, Mullen actually doesn't look too horrible. Wow. Damn. Oh my days, look at that drop. That thing said higher lows. You can have a high and a hello. Virus 512, that thing said, straight to the abyss. That's a fat red candle. Yeah, that's why I wanted to wait for another candle because it just looked a little bit sus, a little bit sus. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, that would have been an amazing short from the top. Oh my goodness. What an amazing short that would have been. What an amazing short that would have been. La, 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 la. Let's see. Okay. Damn is right. That thing said nope. And your spammer, yeah, not today, virus. Yeah, look at Mullen. So Mullen is failing at the same resistance, right? Even though we had crazy candles above on Mullen, look at the resistance. Where do you see resistance, right? Same resistance. So even though we've been above this level multiple times, we haven't closed above it. So until Mullen decides to close above this range, it's meh, right? It's just sus. It's just susness. Do 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 do. Two. That's very interesting, actually. Very interesting, actually. Do, do. Okay, there we go. 50% scalp, yeah, Gary. Hopefully, you're locking in the gains today better than yesterday. Because that's for sure the way to go. Especially if you're playing with you can always just rotate into new ones. You know, yeah. Anyways, Mullen still looks okay. AGBA, it looks like we're holding a bit of support at 355. Overdue and very undervalued. I don't think Mullen is undervalued. I mean, the overdue for a bounce, yes, sure. Overvalued though, undervalued. I don't know if Mullen is undervalued. Mullen doesn't have any sales. Mullen's been doing splits. Mullen doesn't have any cash. Right, they're spending monies without making money. So, um, yeah. So I don't know if I'd say Mullen is undervalued. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, wow, really? No way. Did you edit that? You edited it. My goodness, Troy. I need to know. I need to know. By unbelievable. I need to know that you edit these things now. The act, unbelievable. Na, 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 60%. One long. You took a long. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we can consolidate and then send it up, Joe. Consolidate and then send it up. Okay, I'm gonna do a long as well, Joe. Yee. That no look very hot. Okay, I'm gonna put a stop loss right there. That no look hot. That look very nasty. Yeah. How do you spend that you don't have and continue making money? What do you mean? Like in the case of a company? Yeah, no, that doesn't look good, Joe. You brother. Yeah, it's about to break down. Unless we double bottom here, but that looks not good. That still looks very weak. If this candle does recover though, I think we might have found a bottom. A bottom. Come on, let's see. Yeah, exactly, Troy. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So just yeah, just debts. Troy, like Troy answered, just debts is what they're using. Uh, just debts. Puts. Good job, Gary. What are we doing here? Mullen? Mullen is still hanging around? Yeah, Mullen is actually still hanging around. Wow. Again, all it has to do is close above this range and then pump it. Okay, we start closing above $7, 710, 710 especially, then we might be looking for 750 after that for Mullen. Hmm. Mm-hmm. What's GMM doing here? Still sitting here? Yeah, still sitting around the 200. AGBA, what are we doing? Looking a bit weak there. Uh, hmm. Wisa? Oh, yeah. Let me take a look. So, CYC resistance at 225, 230. Uh, yeah. Wisa. Watching Mullen, are we? Yeah, Mullen's actually done really well. IB. Yeah, Wisa's done really well. So again, if you look at trade ideas, Justin posted this earlier, Wisa, and it's done really well. So thank you very much, Justin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. So again, look at trade ideas in Discord. You're going to see Wisa. Let's go. Yeah, yes, please. Yes, please. So let me go back to Discord here. I just want to show you. Let's go, Justin. Right. So pull this up here. AMD, you're selling it, or you're asking? Come on and load. Anyways, yeah. So Justin posted DCA. 640 is what you're looking for. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean it's gone from $5.30 to 570 now. So it's trending in the right direction. So thank you, Justin. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, we have a new member. Um, as YCC is dropping like a tomato. Uh, if my stuff would load. AJ, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's go. Welcome back. Doo-doo-doo. Choo, choo, choo. Come on, AGBA. What are we gonna do here? Look at Mullen, guys. Mullen looks good. That candle actually closed above. It finally closed. I think we have one candle now that's actually closed above, and then Mullen popped. Very interesting. We actually have a candle that's closed above. Wow. Wait, Joe, you're out? I need to go. I need to go. I need to go check. I need to go check. Impressive. Very impressive. So yeah, 745, 750 is your next resistance for Mullen. Yeah. No, Joe, I'm still inside. We might fail here, though. We might fail here. We're still inside. Uh, sheesh. Come on, pump it, pump it, pump it, Joe. Pump it. You did at $4. Seymour, good job. Come on, break it. There we go. La, 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 la. Should have closed that position. La, 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 la. But your boy wants more. There we go. There we go. Come on. Send it. Come on. Here we go. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Oof. I should have stayed a little bit longer. Should have stayed a smidge longer. That's a nice bounce. Sheesh. I should have stayed a little bit longer. Like 2 seconds longer. Let's go. Tesla starting to move up. Let's go, Joe. Okay. Rejection? Potentially, yeah. The 50, yeah. At the 50. Yeah, exactly. 51. That's what she, dang it. I should have stayed like maybe 10 seconds longer. Unbelievable. Anyways, next. La. See if you get funded. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Justin. Sounds good. There was a bit of stretching there, but I'm tempted to short that thing here though at the 200. See if we reject. Tempted. Tempted to reverse. Tempted to touch. You want it in? Let's go, Justin. Welcome to Futures. Welcome to Futures. Where stretching is is a must. Huh? Where stretching is a must. Dang, maybe I should have taken that short at the 200 there. We'll see. We'll see, Joe. Tempted. Rejection. Maybe they're Pavan. We'll see. We shall see. Anybody actually still holding Mullen in the chat, guys? Let me know. We keep coming back to Mullen, but anybody actually still holding this? If AGBA could just stay above 350, that would be nice. Just stay above it. No need for like anything fancy, just stay above 350. Stay above. You sold it, Queen? Okay, nice. Their earnings are gonna be, yeah, I bet you the earnings are always lit though, Virus. The earnings are always lit. Always lit. What's the S&P doing here? That's the third candle now? Well, that's still the same 3-minute candle though. Okay, give me one more tick up. Give me one more tick. I'm going to short it. And then I'm going to put a stop loss right at the... I'm gonna move, and then I'll put a stop loss up there. Okay, I see. I will put a stop loss and there. Perfect. Now give me a crash. Give me a crash. Oh, that don't look good. Yeah, that thing took my stop loss. That thing says screw your 200s. Oof. Are we almost back to the highs again? Oh my days, spy. That's impressive. Not gonna lie. That's impressive. 45 minutes. Whereas maybe I should have just kept my long from the bottom. I'd be just sitting back and smiling. Yeah, maybe we go all the way to the 200 or all the way to the top actually. All the way to the tops. Uh, April 30th. La, 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 la. Okay, let me take a look. Let's take a look ski. Let's take a look ski. April 30th. Ah, I see. Okay. Okay. Send that over. Send that over. Do, 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 do. Okay. You should have the link now, I think. Should have it now. Do, 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 do. Okay. I'm not sure why it's not working. Not sure why it's not working for you. Do, do, do. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So we came all the way back to the top again, Joe. That might have been another short. Another short position. Mullen's back below. So, yep, it's done really well. Really, really well. But all over the place. Let's go virus. 45. Now go back to the top so I can look for short virus. Go back to the top. Gorilla. Yeah, Gorilla is at $6 now, guys. Gorilla is at $6. So again, if you're not in Discord, you're missing out. Right? Yeah, $6. Love it. Love it. Na, 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 na. There we go. Let me send this over. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Look at Gorilla go. Ooh, Gorilla. Gorilla on the loose. Gorilla on the loose. Gorilla on the loose. On the loose. On the loose. On the loose. Come on. Send it. Give me 620. Is that gonna work? No, it's not. Clean that up. Gorilla on the loose. So again, if you're not a member yet, we posted this yesterday as a swing play, right? So there it is, right? So if you're not a member yet, that's another play you missed, right? Like, but how come Gorilla? But how come? Anyways, this was posted yesterday, right? So at a double bottom, triple bottom, whatever that is, right? On the daily in a demand zone. So we've gone from $5.30 whatever cents to pushing for $6, right? So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. This was posted in the swing channel, right? Because it's a swing play. Well, it was if you're looking. Again, when we post stuff in that channel, you consider like watching it for multiple days, right? Because you can buy yesterday and you can hold to today, right? So if you took that, congratulations. If you took Gorilla yesterday, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. 16, Kevin. Nice. How did you remember that mode? Damn. Sheesh. Let's go. Here we go. 145. Let's go. Let's go, Justin. I'm getting vibes of this. You're getting vibes? See, dang it. I missed that short. I missed it. Yeah, we keep going to the top and failing, which is a perfect short. Look at that again. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Now we're gonna end up at the bottom again. Sheesh. Unless this just becomes like a little higher low though. Like unless we test the like the little uptrend there, but I don't really trust that. I'm gonna switch my I'm gonna switch to the 3-minute here. Okay. The 3 minutes. The 3 minutes. Actually, I kind of like looking at that 1 minute candle. Mullen is back above 7. And Gorilla, slow and steady. Slow and steady. Varys, 45 minutes. SPY will yeah, we're stalling a bit there. Breaking out. Here we go. Dang. Maybe that was a bit of an inverse head and shoulder type thing there. A higher low. We'll see. Hashtag God, dude. Back to work. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, inverse. Oh, yeah, Joe. Yeah, it kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Kind of looks like it's okay. Maybe virus is up to something here. Maybe, maybe. Mm, maybe just maybe. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Maybe virus. Doo-doo-doo. Maybe just maybe. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Uh, what's the bid on that block though? Okay. No. Come on, pump it. Pump it. Now those dudes are gonna sell it off again. Yup. They're like, yeah, no thanks. We come for the double bottoms. Oof. Tesla? You just had to make me go look. Unbelievable. Yeah, Tesla looks like doo doo. She might have missed that bottom. Might have missed the bottoms there. I want to catch a higher low and then pump it. And then do the pumpy. Do the pumpy dance. Doo doo. Give me a retest. I know nothing but God did. Give me a retest virus. Yeah, that would have been a nice bottom actually on that candle. Unless we just fail here and retest the bottom again, actually. Anyways, actually, let me see if we miss anything by not looking at the. Not really. We don't miss anything by not looking at the 1 minute. We do not miss anything. Yeah. Yeah, if we break below yesterday's low virus, yeah, and then potentially, yeah. Especially with the FOMC meeting stuff tomorrow. It might be a bit of an obstacle, just a little bit of a problem. Uh, hmm. God did. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Uh, please and thank you. Mm. Hmm. INDO? Not sure. Not sure. Visa looks nice though. Slow and steady. Slow and steady, Justin. Slow and steady. Yeah, Visa almost back to 6. Nice. INDO, you can kind of see that the levels are still in on this chart, right? So there's a 490 resistance and then 450 support, right? So we can Look at that. 6-7. 6-7 gorilla. Come on, send it. Wisa's at the highs of the and Wisa. Yeah, highs of the day, Justin. Oof. Love it. Again, you can see all these plays coming from Discord, right? Gorilla from Discord. Wisa, highs of the day from Discord. If you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Missing out. Missing out. What do I think of AKLI? Hello, Musty. Hello, AKLI. It looks good. It looks really good. As soon as I see that, we get a fat red candle, but it's coming from the highs of the day and it's been stalling. It doesn't look good for you to get in a position, but it looks good if you're in it, right? When you see something stalling like this, like clearly it's losing some momentum. So that's clearly not a buy at the top, right? In the Bollinger Band, it's not an entry, right? So I'm not quite sure. That's why I always ask like, what's the question? Yeah, because I'm not quite sure, right? Wisa, yeah, Wisa looks nice, Justin. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Very, very nice. Mm, it's an interesting level. An interesting level. Oof. Oof. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Yeah, no. Justin, well done on Visa. EKLI, watch for support around like 43, 42 cents, Bernie. So yeah, watch for support around that range. Do, 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 do. That's some crazy, yeah, crazy, crazy directions. Crazy directions. Uh, where's the clock on that? Don't see it. I do not see it. Do, 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 do. Interesting. Do, 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 do. And interesting. Are coming back alive slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, you never know, Musty. You never know. Hopefully, hopefully. Mm, 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 mm. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's do that. Since when? Yeah. Since when? 57 cents. Yeah, but your average though, Musty. Your average. Anyways, it looks like AKLI is trying to bounce. Trying to bounce. Trying to bounce. Do, 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 do. Mm. Hmm. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Uh, 70. Okay, perfect. There we go. Mm, here we go. You out half of those puts? Okay, nice. Very nice. Now only 300s? Really? Oh wow. Okay, that is huge. That is huge. That is very huge. Very, very huge. Okay, I'm just looking at some of these other things on the watch list. Yeah, Mullen's been having a hard time above 7. A hard, hard time. Every time it gets close, it's like, nope. Okay. Mm, no, no, no. Oh, yeah, Mullen's getting slapped now. Slapped. Slapped to the abyss. Uh, let's see. Slapped. Huge. My shares, but they don't understand. They need to go for. They need to. No, no, no. Mullen is. It almost, yeah. If you look at this too and you zoom out a bit, it almost looks like a head and shoulder, doesn't it? You like it? Why does everybody like when Mullen gets slapped? How come nobody wants Mullen to win? Come on, guys. Mullen has to win, right? Uh, 5 maybe. Maybe. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. There we go. Let's leave that there. La, 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 la. In the past, yeah, that's true. That is true. AGBA, meh. Gorilla is just still kind of sitting. Remember Gorilla Musty? Remember this talk? One of your favorites. Yeah, Indo INDO doesn't look too bad now. So it just has that 490 resistance. 490 resistance. Doo-doo. Oof, the S&P is getting slapped. Oh my, look at this, guys. Oh my days. Oh my days. Well, back, this was the same level we bounced at yesterday, though. So this might be a long. Let's see. Yeah, this was the same area we bounced at yesterday, actually. Let's see. Oh, that thing said, nope, not today. Oh my goodness. That thing said, not today, maybe. Let's see where this candle closes. Let's see. Double bottom here. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can find a base here for SPY. and then send it to 512. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, so we were watching yesterday and then we rocketed from this level yesterday. So can we hold that level? So that last candle actually closed above, so that's a good thing. Yeah. So let's see. Sheesh. Okay, I'm gonna take a long here and then an ES long, and then I'm just gonna put a stop loss at the low of the day. That thing is coming for me already. Sheesh. Come on. Somebody call the pump police. We need a pump. Then $10. Just kidding. Hopefully, hopefully. I want to see a green candle. Come on now. Now or never. Now or never. We either bounce here, we crash all day long. Now or never. I want to see green candles. Nope. Oof. Nope. Sheesh. Watch. As soon as my stop loss hits, I think it's gonna rocket up. And there it is. Damn. That thing looks weak. That thing should have. I know. Should have kept that short. Because this looks nasty now. That looks nasty. Oh my goodness. Should have kept that short. From the top too, like that shorting at the top. That looked beautiful. That would have been beautiful. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh my days, we would be celebrating right now. We are rich. We are rich. But yeah, no, this looks very weak. We closed below yesterday's. We're below yesterday's low now, so that looks very sus now. Don't be a sacrificial goats, yeah. No, that's what this looks like now. And we're about to either bounce here or we're about to make new lows and crash. Ooh, we're gonna crash more. 3, 2, and 3, 2, 1. New lows of the day. Oh, it's teasing it. And there it is, new lows of the day. Oof. That looks weak. That looks very weak. Oh my goodness, by who shot the S&P, guys? Hello, Dora. Hello. Yeah, this doesn't look like a bounce coming. Hello, my name is Dora. I am here to find the S&P. Have you seen the S&P? I have a hint. It's under the bridge. Under the bridge. Yeah, I really don't see any levels, and plus we're not really consolidating. So honestly, it might be best to just kind of sit back and watch for a second, unless you're feeling risky. Oof, that thing is about to make new lows. 3, 2, 1, and new lows of the day. Sheesh, spy. Who shot you? 504 SKD. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, we might do this and then pump it tomorrow, but we'll see. We shall see. Musty's waiting for a fat green candle. It's not coming. Yeah, no, it doesn't have to rebound though, especially the S&P. Like we can drop for days. We can drop for days, and look at that. We're about to, and there we go. We just made new lows of the day, right? Like we can drop for days. For days. For days. Oh, we're about to make new lows. Dang, we should have just jumped into a short position, actually. Should have just said, you know what? Let's join the party, Joe. Jump into shorts positions. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Do, do, do. And there goes new lows. Like we're just making lows now. Unless this candle is green. How many red candles have we had? Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that short though, which we wanted? Damn. Oh my goodness, that would have been amazing. Amazing. That would have been amazing. Sheesh is right. Wait for it, Musty. Nah, that thing is way too weak. There's no reason for the S&P to bounce into FOMC, so maybe we need to join the party if we break down again here. Let's see where this candle closes. Where's Tesla? I don't know, virus. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't. You can't see. I don't know. I can't see. The only stock I can't see is Tesla. I can see everything else. La, 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 la. Not that I see, Musty. Let me take a look. For the next time. Okay. La, 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 la. Can we let's see if we can fix that. Let me look at the futures channel here. Anything? No, nothing. Nothing, nothing. There goes a rebound. There goes a rebound, Musty. The rebound. Only to end up at the lows of the day again, though. Nah, nah, nah. Come on, Emer. You're not supposed to tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him, please. He doesn't actually need to know. He's just roasting me, that's all. Hater. Virus? How does puts looking? Scanner. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Anyways, at least we have two green candles now, but we're probably going to fail there, Musty, and go back to the abyss. Surprise. Moving on, it looks like Gorilla has a lot of resistance at $6 there. So make sure you move your stop losses higher. AKLI, nice pop, but a double top. And then AGBA, weakness. Weakness in the middle of the night and put a gator in your bed? Probably. Probably. Dylan, what's your question? HWN, what's the question? $3? Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. I'll take a look. Yeah, Dylan, let me know if you have a position. Like, if you have a question, just let me know, please. And I'll take a look ski. I'll take a look ski. One long. You have a long now, Joe? Okay. 9? Okay. Let's see, Joe. Let's see. So HWH. This one did really well yesterday, Dylan. You're in at 79, 79, 279. Okay, nice. Okay, I would want it to stay above like 290. Just stay above 290, and you should be okay. Should be okay. Joe, they're about to stretch you. Those dudes are gonna stretch you. They're gonna stretch you. Yeesh. Yeah, because we're failing against the 9 there. We're failing. Let's see if we close a candle, and that candle closed below. So they're gonna need to push it up immediately. Damn, look at this though. Watch it rocket all day now with our news, and then sheesh. Better than the loss, Bernie? Absolutely, always. A gator. Yeah, no, the S&P is failing at the 9, so it's gonna need to reclaim that level. And Gorilla failed that resistance. Yeah. Tesla. WGS. You know what's I haven't actually looked at WGS since I came on stream. In pre-market, yes, but not on stream, and it's done really well. Nice breakouts, right? Breakouts, consolidate. Yeah, it's done really well. So, no, congratulations if you're holding that. Congratulations. Uh, okay. There we go. Perfect. You got out at 18. Well done. Nice. Yeah, 18 is always a nice level to sell at. It's 18, so it's 15, I don't know, 15, 16 or something like that, and then 18 and then $20. Something like that. In a 41, 141, yeah. So anything around $1.30 seems to be nice for GMM CM. GMM. Are you in a short now, Justin? So Joe's in a long, Justin is in a short. Which way do we go? Okay, let me look at the calendar. No. Okay. 12. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. I'll send that over to you, Rob. Scheduled. That does not seem accurate, does it? 75. Okay. Seems better. You did? Nice, Troy. Nice. You're scalping in the 15-second? There needs to be like stretching lotion. I'm sure there is, Joe. I'm sure there is, because it's getting stretched. You're gonna need a higher low or something, Joe. So far seeing a 9 in one day. You have the 9. You got the 151, Justin. Oh my goodness, sheesh. I thought you would have gone for like the 25, the 50, something small to start with. You went for the 150. My goodness, Justin isn't playing. No, it's not. Not for the faint of heart. It was so small. It is small, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, the 25 and the 50s, the 25 especially. You're all 500 now. Let's go. Right? Even if it takes you a few days to get there, or the entire month to get there, that's fine. That is completely okay. Completely okay. Okay. Yeah, no, the drawdown is important. Anyways, um, yeah, the market is slowed down a little bit here. Like the with yeah, okay, nice. Uh, exactly. Yeah, I mean, if we can find a way to stay above the 345, 350 dance, and then yes, yes, and then, yep. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. Uh, Come on, Gorilla, send it, send it, send it, send it, send it, send it, send it. Yeah, Spy's gonna crash again, isn't it? Yeah. HWH. Yeah, no, it looks really good. It's just giving you higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Um, Higher lows on higher lows. Trade dog. And once, yeah. What did we hit yesterday, actually? Okay, no, we struggled at $3 yesterday, so we're breaking new highs now, which is really nice. Look at the 52-week high on this thing now, $15. Not saying that it's going to that price, but that's a lot of room. The range is too narrow. Yeah, yeah. Usual scams, Dan. Till tomorrow. Usual scams. The usual scams. See what he's. Okay, perfect. WKSP. The usual scams. Yeah. Yeah, we have like 10 more minutes, and then I have to hop off and go do the usual things. And then we will actually come back today because Amazon reports earnings. So it's not on the calendar. Slow, slow, slow. We do seem to be creating a bit of a higher low, though, if that's going to do anything, but we'll see. We shall see. Uh, no, 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 no. Anyways, what else do we like here as we go into the into lunchtime? What else do we like? Yeah, it looks like we're going to see lows of the day today again. New lows incoming. Let's see. Yeah, Wisa still looks okay. It just needs a bit more volume and then boom skis. Na 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 na. AGWB, AGBA. Still holding the bottom there. We also need to get back about 360 resistance. And yeah. And yeah. Two. Interesting. Did we make new lows? Yeah, we did. Yeah, so the S&P just made new lows. Surprise. Nope. Nope. Too much weakness. Too much weakness. I bet you that candle... How much time do we have in it though? 10 seconds? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Yeah, we're closing above the double bottom though. Even though we made new lows, we're still closing above that bottom, which could be interesting. Maybe SPY puts. Usually don't like buying SPY puts at the lows of the day, Gary. That's how your options go from like 90% to 10%. So mine is 99%. Even though it looks weak, you're still buying at the lows of the day, which is usually not the best thing to do. Usually not the best. Usually not the best. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, Gorilla looks nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. GMM. I mean, above $1.45 sure free ball, but it's not really going. It is not going. Okay. Another make a la 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 la. I mean, Gary, this is the problem. Look at it bouncing, right? So you buy the double bottom, you buy puts at a double bottom, and then boom, green candle, minus 90%. Right? Look at that. Look at that. That looks like a beautiful double bottom now, doesn't it? That looks like a beautiful double bottom now, doesn't it? So that's the danger. Even though it looks weak, you buy, and one green candle, that could be the end of you. The end, and then you're done skis. You know. So yeah, maybe we fail at the 50 and go back down, but we shall see. Uh, the end. Hmm. Little bit of strength coming from somewhere. I can't actually closed above the 9. Interesting. Uh, feels icky. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? But it's interesting. Hmm. Does look like it wants to pop, doesn't it? We shall see. Yeah, it's almost getting rejected there. Rejected. Earnings, yeah, Amazon and the other ones. You wanted to flush, Joe? Again? Okay. Yeah, let's see if we break below. If we break below the lows of the day again, Joe, that would be fire. Fire. That thing keeps coming back though. Keeps coming back to life. It's like, you want me to flush? How about I flush you instead? Uh, 507. Why? Because you're in a long position, Pavan? Or what? Yeah, that thing got rejected off the 50. Never mind. Virus, there's no hope. This time God said, you know what? I did it enough. You're on your own. Yeah, it does look like it maybe wants to bounce a little bit. I wonder. 15%. MSTR is down 15% today. Damn. Hmm. Yeah, Bitcoin wasn't looking so hot, was it? Not so hot. La 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 la. Okay. And another rejection. La 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 la. 100% that does it. La 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 la. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Sounds like a good idea. Ooh, that thing is about to flush, isn't it, Joe? 3, 2. Okay, that candle did go below the previous candle, but then recovered. But then it recovered. It said nope. La 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 la. Rubbish. Rubbish, absolute rubbish. Hmm. This has a long vibe to it, doesn't it? Like a scary long vibe. Like a very tempting, but like you get NSAT vibe. There it is. And there it is. It's like you can go long, but you will get NSAT. Sheesh. Let's go, Joe. Let's see if we stay above the same bottom there again. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Uh, oh, that thing is gonna flush more, isn't it? Yup. Here comes new lows of the day for SPY. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the S&P go. Look at the S&P go. Sheesh. That thing is getting slapped. Doo doo doo. Slapped. Uh, Bumping his head on anything? Rubbish. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Doo 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 doo. Doo 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 doo. Here you go. Mm, yeah, SPY just made new lows of the day, so extreme weakness. Extreme weakness. Weakness. Over the buy button. Yeah, it's weak. Weak sauce. Ooh, that's a nice comeback on that candle. It's a nice comeback on that candle. 800, Joe. Ooh, very nice, Joe. Wow. Yeah, all of these have just been nice shorts today, honestly. All the rallies, short them to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. So do okay. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Anyways, guys, let me know if you have any last questions. We're gonna hop off so I can go do some one-on-ones. Alrighty. So again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. We haven't even made it to 100, so smash the like if you haven't, and if not, meh. So hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord because that's where we're gonna be, and we should be coming back at the end of the day. I said that yesterday, but we never came back because nothing was happening. But tonight we actually have we actually have earnings. We actually do have earnings. So yep. Much love to all. Let's go protect your monies. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, GMM is curling their NAS. Your next resistance is is our last pivot high. So it looks good. Like it's giving you higher lows, right? It looks really good. Your next resistance is right there at 156. And then after that, oof, there's a lot of room to the upside to 170. But it looks good. As long as it continues to give you these higher lows, you should be good. Those puts, yeah, it looks weak, doesn't it, Gary? Weakness, weakness. Alrighty, y'all be safe. And I will catch you guys in Discord. And yeah, bye guys. Bye guys. Bye bye.